Backlinks, if anybody's still out there thinking about backlinks, they're like applause, right? They come after the performance. So Google says they're a ranking factor. I just say they're a sign you're on the right path. I mean, to me, unless it's delivering, a backlink is delivering traffic, it's probably not worth terribly much to you. Unless that backlink is delivering traffic that is going to convert into sales, it's not worth a lot for you. Don't worry about Google penalties anymore, because if you're just focused on revenue, you're not going to get any Google penalties. The only reason you get Google penalties is if you're trying to trick Google. You don't need to trick Google. Forget about Google. Think about the traffic that you have and the clients that you have and how you're going to make it easier for them to buy from you. Now, some of you might say, what do you mean don't worry about content marketing? That's a big thing. The caveat on this is that if content marketing is right for your brand, then do it. And I'll give you an example of that. I've got a client, she's massive on Facebook. She does a lot of work on Facebook. She does videos, all sorts of things on Facebook. Great content marketing, because Facebook is her main channel of business. And because her audience needs that content. But when I say don't worry about content marketing, it's the junk content marketing out there that I see in the hope that you're going to get people linking to you for some reason, and that will help you get more traffic. Content marketing should be about people if you're going to do it. Most of the stuff that I see, though, is about eyeballs or getting shared. But for e-commerce, we don't do any content marketing. We've got clients that will do some videos, but the days of us writing blogs and all that sort of stuff, that's gone. It's out the window.